What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title is "When She's the Toxic One and Cops Warned You About Leaving Her Before." I mean, this already done happened, huh? The cops had to come again, huh? So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On August 30th, 2022, police were called to a couple's home after the woman, who was
2022. Wait, hold on. Wait, what the hell? Hold on, man. They just dropped this 10 days ago. Oh, nah, boy. 2022. Oh my goodness. This is all right. Let's continue.
drunk and unnecessarily causing a problem with her boyfriend, and the police had had enough of their foolishness.
Good. What apartment is this?
909.
909. What's going on?
So, I'm talking to her mom right now.
Okay.
So,
Could you possibly talk to us? Because we're getting called out here like crazy.
I just tell her calm. What's happening?
Yeah. I mean, here, you can put it on speaker if you want. Just tell us what's going on.
Okay. I was sleeping. She called the police on me. I don't know why.
Who did? Your mom?
My girlfriend.
Okay.
Is this the same one that we kicked out of your apartment?
Yeah, you just can't.
No, like many months ago where she broke out your back window?
Let me talk to your mom.
Hang up with mom.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, she came. They called the police on her. When she called the police on me, I was sleeping. Didn't realize I wasn't doing anything.
It was this morning?
Yeah, just like not even 30 minutes ago. So they left because I wasn't doing anything, and she came back. I'm not trying to get her in trouble. I'm just talking to you guys, okay?
Yeah.
She broke my TV.
Right, but we've been here before for her doing all this, so I'm just curious why you continue to keep dating her when you have
I'm not, bro. All I'm doing is call her mom to get her.
No, I'm just asking you because we've been here months and months and months ago where she broke out your window. So.
Yeah, she broke my monitor.
How are you?
She put her own phone, and I'm just trying to calm her down, so I'm calling her mom.
What are you talking about? I didn't throw my own phone.
Here, go this way, go this way. Go this way, stay away from her.
What? No, talk to me.
Come here, hey, come here. Come here.
You can go over there.
Stop. Have a seat. Sit on the garbage can. Sit on the garbage can.
What?
Just sit down.
Sit down.
No.
You're heavily intoxicated.
No, I'm not gonna sit down.
Just so you know, we've been here. Ben and I were actually here months and months ago, and she breaks the windows. She gets violent. She's underage. She's not even 21. I think last time we dealt with her.
Yeah.
So this is an ongoing issue. She's locking the door. Stop. All right. Hey. Get him away. Stop resisting. Stop. Put your other arm behind your back. Put your other arm behind your back. You got her? Yeah.
Here, I got her. You got my one hand? Here, you let go of my one hand?
I'm just trying to get to him right now.
Okay, you don't need to get to him.
Here, you got my hand. You got my hand.
We keep getting calls out here that you guys are arguing and
No, we
you're
weren't.
screaming for help or whatever.
No, it wasn't nothing. I promise.
You got the one?
Then you need to be quiet.
There we go.
If it's nothing going on,
Good job, bro.
then stop screaming for help.
I wasn't screaming for help.
Well, somebody was because we keep getting phone calls.
I don't know why you're getting phone calls.
Resisting. Yeah.
Your behavior is not
All right,
helping
get up. Come on. Let's go. We'll take it to the car.
Listen, listen.
Nope, listen. This is how it's going to end today.
What? How it's gonna end? I don't need to go to the shower. I didn't do anything. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything.
I just got to clean out the back seat.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll do it. Listen, I didn't do anything. Why am I going to jail?
Because you were going at him.
What?
You were going at him after we told you to stay away from him.
Yeah, he told me to stay away from him, right?
Yeah, I asked you 2 times not to approach him, and then you just tried to push
No,
past
I
him.
didn't hear you. I'm
Okay.
listening. I actually have mental issues.
Okay, that's fine.
Like, I'm actually mentally ill.
That's fine.
I didn't do
It's not an
anything.
excuse.
Okay.
Yeah, it is an excuse. I didn't do anything to him.
This pocket's clear.
I didn't do anything to him.
Nothing on this pocket.
right.
If you want to clear out the back seat, I can hang it there.
We can put her in the back. It's just the other side. Have a seat.
Look at the other thing, so it doesn't matter.
Alrighty.
A question that I would have is if she is underage as far as drinking, right, is concerned, but he's with her, right, or she's with him, would he be held responsible for that? For serving alcohol to a minor? Like, I don't know if they served or anything, and obviously we're not going this route with this body cam video, but I'm just curious, as if, because she's wasted. She's bombed, okay? But anyways, never here nor there. If he says that she has some mental problems, and he said that when they were up there, he said, I think she needs to get checked out, mental hospital or something. And then she says it again, that she has, her mental isn't right. She ain't wrapped too tight. All right. She's not wrapped too tight. Let's be honest here. Okay. She's missing a couple of screws. All right. Why would he want to be with a person like that? See, now this is when you got to look at yourself and not necessarily blame her all the time, but realize that you part of the problem. Because if every time you saying that she not wrapped too tight, every time she come over, there's always an altercation, something is going on. She breaking your stuff, she this to that, and you calling the cops, hooting and hollering, help me, she's abusive, whatever. But then the cops come, they might do whatever, might lock her up, they might not, separate for a day, whatever. But then you right back with her. Come on now, I'm a man, all right? I'm a man. And that kitty cat can't be that good, man. It can't be that good for you to keep going back to her like this. And you know the outcome already. She has a pattern and a pattern of behavior. You already know this. Nah, can't be that good, man. Because it always starts small. It might start with a little argument, a little disagreement. Then the arguments might get bigger. Then it might get violent. You know what I'm saying? Or before it gets violent, she might start breaking stuff. Or he, you know what I'm saying? For the ladies out there, guys, some, whatever, right? Guys may throw stuff, girls may throw stuff, whatever, right? And then one day somebody hit somebody, boom, right? And now it became physical. Now you wrapped up into that. You gotta get out.
Actually, if you want, let's put the car on and pull up and...
I don't know. Did we say 15 or was
No.
it say?
No, because there was no DV related, and he didn't want to do anything for the window.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Didn't her dad or somebody come?
Yeah,
to pick her up?
Dad came.
Yeah, her dad came the last time. That's what calling her parents is now.
Dude,
Okay. All right.
I'm going to tell you this right now. We were here. No.
I already told him.
Listen, you let her back in.
I
That's the
told him
problem.
Bro, the door was
So,
unlocked.
then lock your door.
No, I literally was
Listen.
sleeping. I spoke to you guys. I went
No.
back. to
Here's the
sleep.
thing. I'm talking about months and months and months ago.
Right.
This
And we
whole time,
resolved
he's
this.
still there.
Yeah,
You're
that was
still-
resolved.
Right,
That's why
but now
I
you
thought
let
this
her
was
back.
in the past.
So she's going to go to jail today.
Really?
Yes, because we're going to keep coming back out here and keep coming back out here.
Jail for what?
Do you have your ID? Because we got to write a
Oh,
report.
no, I don't have my ID.
Can you give him your info for me, please?
Yeah, I lost my wallet the other day. What is he going to jail for?
Resisting.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
So I asked her,
Just to
you saw me,
verify
I asked her
FTO or
twice
one-man
not to
save.
walk up to you, and then when she came back out, she tried to push right past me.
Yeah.
I don't
Could be
I
charged with battery LEO.
don't ask people 3-4 times. I gave her 2 times, and she wanted to be ridiculous. You know
Let me
your
put the
social-
seatbelt on her.
Hey, I was very similar on COB. I'm going to tell you 2 times. If I got to tell you a 3rd time, you ain't going to like it, boy. We not even getting to 3 times. I'm not gonna tell you 3 times. I'm gonna tell you 2 times. 2. If I gotta get to a 3rd time, you gonna be you ain't gonna like it, boy.
Hey, I'm gonna pop the seatbelt on her if you wanna.
Shut the f*** up! Murphy, come here now!
Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. I'm not even gonna put the seatbelt on her. No.
Well, she has to get checked out by a nurse anyway. Could you just go stand back over there?
Okay, yeah, of course.
I'm listening to you.
I'm not even gonna put her in the seatbelt. Yes.
Yes.
I was gonna put her in the seatbelt, but we're not even.
She literally asked me to,
Huh?
because we're not.
Nope, I have AC vents.
I got you.
No.
He said 580.
He ain't wrapped too tight neither. He look a little slow too. I ain't gonna lie to you. Listen. Big Shy ain't gonna lie to you, man. He look a little slow too. So now what I said before, oh, why do you get back with her? This, that, the third. She got mental health issue. Yeah, he look like he a little, you know what I'm saying? No disrespect, okay? Yeah.
18263.
Yes.
No.
What do you guys get screwed on the window?
Huh?
What?
Yeah. Because he admitted to no battery, right?
In a minute when she calms down, because it's just gonna
Yeah,
rise.
You're not gonna talk to her.
I'm not gonna talk.
Nope, you're not gonna talk to her.
Okay.
She's already in an agitated state. We're not going to make it worse.
Okay. You think if she just relax and get to her calm state of mind?
She's not going to get. She's not going to get.
She's going to jail.
You guys are
Really?
adults.
Yes.
You guys are adults.
Did we get his info?
Yeah, it's
All right, we're out of here.
Act like adults.
Mom, come here right now, please, please. I miss you.
We should be good. I mean, we're just gonna. I mean, I can't put her in the seatbelt because she already tried getting out. It's just gonna be a fight.
We're just gonna say if she's
Yeah.
crazy.
No.
Let me call it out. Yeah, let's do the head work.
Keep your camera rolling.
Yeah.
Guilty.
11015 Bravo Foxtrot. Copy starting.
Can you put me in the hand sanitizer?
No.
5055 50.
No. No.
She was charged with resisting arrest. It seems like these officers were just over with seeing these two in a relationship because of how toxic it is, and they've been to their house before in regard to other problems they had. Do you think he finally will?
Oh, no. The answer is no. Do you finally think whatever he's trying to say, do you think they'll split up? No. You know why? They're meant for each other. That's why. Because she ain't wrapped too tight, and he's a little he a little off the spectrum himself. Okay, that's the honest truth, man. You know, it is what it is. They're gonna keep going back to each other until, you know, I hate to say this, but until something, you know, drastic happens. Okay, man. But anyway, I think these cops did a great job, man. I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5. I think they did great. He said, I asked you 2 times. I ain't asking a third. I said, oh, he took a page out of my book, but yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. But anyway, so yeah, 5 out of 5 from me, okay? How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.